Is your land lying unused in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, or around Hyderabad? Idle land does not just stay idle. It slowly turns dry with unwanted weeds growth, unproductive, and eventually barren. Now imagine something different. Partner with GO DESI MILK, managed dairy farm land services. Yes, GO DESI MILK brings a complete, structured dairy farming model to your land. Invest in your farmland. With GO DESI MILK, we use your land to grow green fodder, establish a well-managed cow shelter, and nurture indigenous cows with care and respect. From these cows, we produce premium A2 milk under the trusted brand name GO DESI MILK. This is a one-time investment opportunity for you. Your land stays active, irrigation systems are developed, soil fertility improves, green fodder cultivation keeps the land alive, water movement continues, your property value strengthens, and most importantly, you earn. The profit generated from GO DESI MILK A2 milk production is shared with you. You don't run the operations, you don't manage the cows, you simply partner your land with GO DESI MILK. In our Sanatan tradition, serving Gau Mata is considered sacred. Now imagine Gau Seva happening on your own land with your investment. Prosperity with purpose, income with values, growth with blessings. With GO DESI MILK, your expected ROI is between 3 to 4 years. Instead of watching your land go barren, let it generate income, greenery, irrigation flow, and spiritual fulfillment. Contact us for more information on managed dairy farm land services from GO DESI MILK.